yeah, now we're just in the truck, and I'm taking the ones that we've done this morning back to their paddock. Alright, I parked the truck up on the road because I've got to back down this track. But first, I've got to open the gate with these keys. Alright, got the ramp in place and the gate open. Now let's back the truck in. Alright, time to let them off. That was the bottom level unloaded. Now we have to unload the penthouse. That's the bottom level. This is the penthouse. There they go, back to their paddock to eat some grass and grow some more wool, ready for next year. Check out this old sign. That's pretty cool. Canberra. The rig. Yeah. Now we're heading back to the shearing shed to see how many they've got done. And maybe we'll cut some more sheep. I'm not sure. We might just walk them. We'll have to wait and see what Dad decides. Thanks for watching, guys. Just a short video today, and yeah, if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. But wait, there's more. I got a friend. This is my friend. What we're doing is walking the sheep that we saw today, the other mob, back to our block. And it's raining a little bit, and it's a bit windy, and these lambs don't want to walk. They're just falling behind everyone else. I'm waiting for Dad to come back so that I can put my friend here in the trailer so that he can walk, so he doesn't have to walk and he doesn't have to fall behind.